Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, we continue west on US Highway 60 in Webster County, Missouri, beginning as we leave the city of Seymour. US 60 here is 4-lane divided and mostly bypasses the upcoming cities, but it's no longer limited access as we've seen in previous videos. We'll see some at-grade intersections as we did in the city of Seymour. We passed through the village of Diggins, which had an estimated population of 323 as of 2019. Diggins was laid out in 1887 and named after one Mr. Diggins, a railroad official. The site was previously known under various names such as Cutthroat, Stella, and Livingston. A post office named Diggins has been in operation since 1886. We entered the city of Fordland with an estimated population of 846 as of 2019. Fordland was platted in 1882. The community has the name of J.S. Ford, a railroad official. A post office called Fordland has been in operation since 1882. We enter the city of Rogerssville, which is on the western edge of Webster County, and parts of the city limits extend into Greene County. Rogerssville had an estimated population of 3,863 as of 2019. The city is known as the raccoon capital of the world. Rogerssville was named after Dr. Isaac Rogers, a pioneer settler. A post office called Rogerssville has been in operation since 1882. The Citizens Bank of Rogerssville was formed as a corporation on December 15, 1908 with $10,000 in capital stock. In August of 2017, a ribbon cutting was held for the opening of a Sonic drive-in location in Rogerssville. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video as we enter Greene County. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.